Hello everyone, my name is Taryn and I am here today on my YouTube channel to talk about my hair. Thank you to those of my subscribers that have been here. I promise this year I'm going to hold myself accountable in 2022 and come back more often and share more hair, beauty, and fashion with you guys. But if you are new here, welcome, and I hope if those topics interest you, you subscribe. But today I'm going to be talking about my hair today, and I also jotted down some questions that I was receiving on my Instagram page. And be sure, if you're not following me on Instagram, be sure I'm going to leave the information in the description box. Read that area and find my Instagram and follow me, because I'm more active there than here on YouTube, but I'm gonna change that. Okay, so let's get into the first question. The first one asks, are they sister locks? No, these are not sister locks. These are micro locks. Next question is, who started my locks? I started my own locks. I am a licensed Louisiana cosmetologist, and I installed them in September. I don't know the number that I have. I can count them because my original count has increased since then. So I really don't know how many I have. And I started my locks with 2-strand twists, and I am maintaining them with interlocking. And right now I'm using the 3-point rotation for my maintenance on my hair. And I do my maintenance every 4 to 5 weeks. I shampoo every 2 weeks. And if you guys want a shampoo video, let me know. I could come back because I do braid and band my hair. So let me know in the comments if you guys want me to come back and show you guys how I shampoo and maintain my hair in between. Okay. The next one asks, how do you fight shrinkage, or do you not get much naturally? Yes, I do get shrinkage. I've gotten a lot of shrinkage. I don't combat it or anything. I just embrace it. I know a lot of people say that, but it's just a part of the journey, and I don't do nothing about it. I'm really not worried about shrinkage. Next one asks, do I offer any online classes or know of anyone that does? No, I personally do not offer any online classes, but I do know a young lady that I follow on Instagram. Her name is Candy. I'm going to leave her information also in the description area. She does offer online classes that I personally am going to take, okay, real soon, Candy. So definitely check her out. And she does beautiful, she's a master cosmetologist, and she does beautiful, beautiful work on locks and hair. So check her out. Next question asks, what type of hair? So I guess this question is asking what type of hair I have. My type. I really don't know. I have a lot of different textures up here, but yeah, I really don't get into hair typing personally for myself. But yeah, this is my hair type because I have a lot, so I don't know. It's my type. Next question asks, what are these called? These are called micro locks, and yes, I did state that earlier, and I installed them. A lot of people call them DIY micro locks, but they are micro locks, and you can start them with braids. You can start them with twists. I think you can start them with comb coils as well. I'm not too sure, or interlocks. So micro locks. Next one asks, how do you keep it moisturized? Right now, I just have a spray bottle with distilled water and some essential oils right now. That is all that I spray on my hair. I did recently, like today, this is day 3 of a shampoo that I did, and I don't condition my hair, but I did make a conditioning tea spray for my hair, and I tried it out and I like it. I really did like the results, so I'm gonna keep maintaining and adding that to my hair care regimen. And like I said before, I don't know if I mentioned it, if you guys want me to come back with a shampoo routine, let me know. And I do oil my scalp like twice a week, and I do make my own oils as well. So let me know if you guys want a separate video for my maintenance and care in between reties. Just let me know. Okay, the next question asks, how do you combat frizz between reties? I don't combat the frizz. No, I do sleep with a satin bonnet, and then I have reinforcements, a satin pillowcase. So that is the only thing that I do use at night. I cover my hair with the satin bonnet, but I embrace the frizz. I actually love the frizz. The frizz gives me volume and fullness. I love the frizz. I love the frizzy. I never complained about frizz. And like my ends are curly, I would like to maintain my curly ends as well. But as you can see, like some of them have started to round off on the end, so that's okay. I can't really see. That's okay, but for the majority of them, I do want to maintain my curls, so that's a whole nother thing. The next one asks, the last question asks, do I offer this service? Not right now. Not as of yet. I don't offer this service, but this is one of the things I do want to start offering. I would love to start blessing and crowning crowns, okay, with micro locks. I love micro locks. I love natural hair. I have a braiding foundation. As far as I started off as a natural hair braider after I got my license, so I love braiding hair. I love, you know, the long intricate style. So I just need a little more training and a little more things, but it's coming in 2022. Okay, so as of right now, I'm not offering this service, but it is coming, so stay tuned. So yeah, I think I answered all of the questions and elaborated on things that I wanted to let you guys know, but if I forget anything, I will leave it in the description area. And once again, I thank you so much for stopping by, taking time and watching my videos, and I thank you for the encouragement, and I thank you for believing in me and trusting me, and thank you guys so much. I appreciate everyone. Peace and blessings to you all.